Hey everyone, so I am here to talk about the Blendjet2. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm super excited. I know everyone due to COVID, it's been crazy and everything like that, and for me, it has been the same. And I'm looking forward to kind of losing some weight and eating healthier since I have not done so. So on the packaging, it's going to show all the elements of the actual Blendjet. Sorry guys. It's also going to show how this process can work. It is cordless and it's quiet, self-cleaning, BPA free. And then what's really cool about this is it is mobile. So you can take this in your car, you can take this to the airport, you can do this while you're, jogging or after a workout. This is a portable blender. So I'm really excited. I picked this up at Walmart. I would have actually went and got the cheetah print one. However, I just didn't feel like waiting on the shipping and everything. So I just went ahead, made sure this was a Blendjet2 because I wanted the Blendjet2 and not the one. If you're going to be purchasing it, there's no sense in going with the first version if the second one's already out. That's just me. So I went ahead and got this, and I'm really excited to use it, especially for my morning breakfasts. I'm not really a big breakfast eating person. So I was looking for something that I would be able to use that wouldn't be too heavy on my stomach in the mornings. Especially I love banana and strawberry smoothies. So I thought that would be really nice to have to be able to utilize this, although I do work from home, but I want to incorporate a lot more liquids in my diet instead of, I'm trying to get a little bit away from protein. And just to have that at least once or twice a day instead. So really excited. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. And please excuse my fingers. I lost 2 nails. I actually went traveling. I went to Las Vegas. Then after I went to Las Vegas for the first time, I actually ended up going to California, Orange County, for just a little bit. And then after Orange County, in the same exact week of going to Las Vegas and Orange County, I ended up going to Oklahoma to go to a casino, WinStar. So I am extremely tired, but I'm really excited to have something like this to be able to travel with, because me and my husband plan to travel a lot more together, separately, and with our children. So yeah. So I went ahead and the Walmarts normally just have the 2 colors, which are going to be the blue and the black, from what I noticed, at least in my area. So I went ahead and went with the black. It's like a matte, which I like. I love matte black. The way that you can tell that this is the second generation is going to be this, because the first generation actually has kind of like a different button. It doesn't have the circle logo right there. Or the windmill looking logo. So yeah. Inside of it, it comes with, that's all that comes in there, as you can see. But inside of it, it comes with the, hey there superhero, like a welcome packet / book to let you know, how you can go ahead and get started with utilizing the Blendjet. Blendjet has a lot of reviews on all social media, as well as their website, Amazon. And I've been looking at Blendjet for quite a while, to be quite honest with you. I just never made the leap of faith. And then my husband last year, I wanted a blender, and or the year before, I can't remember. But for Mother's Day, he bought me a home-based blender, which I was actually looking for something more like this. But I utilized that. I like it. We use it for margaritas. We use it for, different things in the house. However, I want something more mobile that I can, be at my desk in the room. Sometimes I don't get up from my desk for a while, which is not good. I'm working on that, as well as boundaries when it comes down to work and home. So I kind of wanted something that I can charge, or have at my desk. And the really cool thing about this Blendjet is you can actually drink from it as well, which I love. Because, how cool is that? And it's pretty big. Let's see. It looks like it goes up to a 10. as you can see right here. It goes up to a 10. And then these arrows right here is going to be the safety. So when you're utilizing it, there's the you know, oh gosh, I'm having a brain fart, but the blender. This is the blender part of it. These are a lot sharper than the smaller ones, which I've seen on other reviews. The other one, the first generation one, had a little bit shorter ones. So these are quite bigger, which is good because it means it's going to blend it really, really well. But when you are getting started with it, you're going to have to line those arrows up like I showed you in order for it to even allow you to blend, which is really smart because it's a safety mechanism. Taking this apart, the first one does have a, it's kind of like a, oh gosh, I'm having brain farts today. I'm sorry, y'all. I woke up super early today, but a streamer. It has a streamer that is inside of the top. This one actually doesn't come with one, which kind of sucks, but that's fine because I feel like it will blend it really well with these. And excuse my ashy hands. I'm a mom, and I was actually, you know, nothing can ever be perfect, but I was actually working outside with my plants, so it's kind of cold out here where I'm at, and I just came in, decided I was hungry because it's still breakfast, and I wanted to go ahead and make this video before I get using it. Inside, it comes with the paper. This paper is the Blendjet 1 Plus tips. So it's going to have your tips and tricks and what you'll need to focus on and follow in order to make sure that the longevity of your Blendjet stays in good standing, as well as making sure that you're being safe. So let's see. I mean, a few things that it says is welcome to Blendjet. So there's a welcome letter. Welcome to the Blendjet family. And it says never put your hands inside your Blendjet or touch the blades. So yeah, just safety mechanisms. And then the cool thing about Blendjet as well is it also comes with a USB-C charger, which is really cool. So the other one actually was USB, and this one is actually USB-C. So it's gonna be able to use any type of adapter. It's gonna be able to use any type of adapter that you have. For the most part, you can use different adapters. You know, everybody has adapters sitting around, hopefully. And USB-C is going to be the type of adapter you're going to need. So I'm really excited to use this, again, because it is mobile. This is going to be where you actually charge it. And this is going to be the button that you press. It does, from what I can tell, again, because I watched other reviews, and also watched some of their videos on Blendjet, you do have the option to clean it. So basically what you do is you just put this in here. Sorry, that's upside down. And you're going to make sure that these babies are aligned. Once you can find it. And then you put the top on. And the cool thing about this is you can actually put soap and water in here, turn it on, and it's going to do like a cyclone. It almost looks like a tornado, which is the same thing. And it's just going to clean everything. Of course, you want to check the bits at the bottom to make sure there's nothing inside of it. But for the most part, I believe nothing can get in there. Just want to be safe and make sure it's extra clean. But soap and water does the trick for these babies. You always want to make sure you're putting water inside first, then the fruits or whatever you're going to be storing inside of it. But the blades, I think they're going to do a good job. I'm really excited to start getting used to using it. Hopefully I'll come back with just a follow-up after a few months of use. I'm hoping this will help me on my weight loss journey. I do want to lose at least, I'd like to lose at least 40 pounds, but I'd like to start small with 20. So I'm hopeful that this will help me on my journey, a healthier me, a more proactive me. Working from home is a blessing, but it's also a curse because you are at home. Sometimes it's hard to cut work from home. Sometimes it's hard to be as active as you were before. So I'm trying to get back into the groove of things. I want to be a healthier me. I want to live a long life and feel good ultimately, and sometimes I just feel froggy and tired. And when you're eating certain things, you often do feel that feeling of frogginess and tiredness and overwhelmingness. And so I just don't want to go through any of those things. I want to feel better. I want to feel good. So I'm hopeful that this will help me keep on a path of helpfulness and healthiness, and keeping some containment down on what I'm intaking. I would like to probably just start with just breakfast every day, and then maybe move on to even breakfast and lunch, and then just have a really good course dinner, but not too big. So we'll see. But really excited, guys. I'll update Blendjet2, beautiful matte black. I think it's just black, but I call it matte black. You guys should totally go check it out. Especially if you are a shake drinker or a protein shake drinker, or you're on a journey as well. All right, adios amigos. Bye.